My dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa akhiru da'wakum Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. This is Muhammad Altaf with you. Now, आज मैं आपको एक बुनियादी ऐसी चीज बता रहा हूँ, अगर ऐसा कोई करता है तो मुसलसल रब्बुल आलमीन की लानत उसके ऊपर इम्प्लीमेंट होती रहती है। क्योंकि रब्बुल आलमीन ने जब ये कहा ही नहीं है तो आप किस बेस पे आप उनके ऊपर ये एक्यूज कर रहे हैं। एक्यूज का मतलब उनको एक झूठी बात उनके लिए घड़ रहे हैं, जबकि उन्होंने अपने आप को ऐसा डिजाइन किया ही नहीं है। वो क्या है? अकबर। तो शुरू करता हूँ या रहमानी, या रहमान रहीम बोलो या रहमान रहीम, लेकिन जब लिखोगे तो या रहमानी एंड ब्रैकेट दिस इज फिंगर आफ्टर नेल कट। ओके, सो when you cut the nail of the umpire finger, then it is unpronounceable. Only you have to write in the bracket, but pronunciation is the name. This is not name. Okay, Allahu is not the name. This is the combination of the finger and the Shamgah area. Okay, where the both the slots, penis and vagina, and over that penis, because the body of Rabbil Alameen is the combination of the male and female. Okay, so there will be a active anus, then vagina, and then penis. This is the finger. That means that Rabbil Alameen never have physical sex with anybody. Only he used to use the finger into his either slot and palm by doing the masturbation of his penis. This is called but ये तभी होता है जब उनका जो सर्वेंट, ओबीडियंट, इबादतगार, वर्शिपर जो होते हैं वो अमल करते हैं साइमल्टेनियसली ऑन द स्काई with particular subdivision of that particular man and woman. It starts same moment simultaneously. This is the person who does this. He is known as al-muttaqina. Al-muttaqina means the person who allows Rabbil Alameen to use his finger into his either slot based on the amal. Either slot is being used based on the particular amal, and after that masturbation by use of the palm. So this is the complete circuit. Okay. At one amal, one attendance takes place when the man who satisfies first through his wife, then he takes the ejaculation by having the intercourse with her. But simultaneously on the sky, this is not the same thing happens. instead of while intercoursing, husband used the penis, but on the sky, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim use his finger into his anus. I mean, if it is general wife, then Bijna, or rest of all, it is active anus. Okay, Bijna is being used by having the sex with general wife. General wife is that wife to whom one is married, she was virgin and absolutely out of blood relation, and Yuminna. Yuminna means believer. Okay. So, Akbaru means then you are accusing Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim that he has been doing physical sex, physical intercourse with other women. Okay, like that. This is wrong. Al-Kazbina. Those who are accusing this known as Al-Kazbina. Okay. Never say Akbaru. Allah, of course, this came from the sky in the Al-Quran, but when we read the Al-Quran by joining the Muhammad, then he will interpret the sub-alayat وَإِنَّهُ بِسْمِ اللَّهِ الرَّحْمَنِ الرَّحِيمِ. That means wherever Allah is written, you have to read as Ar-Rahmanu. Wallaha is written War-Rahmana. Wallahi is written War-Rahmane. War-Rahmane Rahime bolo ya War-Rahmane. This is the وَإِنَّهُ بِسْمِ اللَّهِ الرَّحْمَنِ الرَّحِيمِ means this. You must have to use this formula by converting Bismillah into Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim or Ar-Rahman as it is written in Surah Bani Israel. Qul Udullaha aw Ar-Rahmana. Same thing, okay? While reading, it is Ar-Rahmani, Ya War-Rahmani, Ya War-Rahmanu, as per written in the Al-Quran. But when you isolate and write, then you have to draft in brackets this finger, this is finger, and this is the Sharma area, okay? And this is the nostril. From where he takes the oxygen. He takes the oxygen. Nostril. Better we can make double nostril. If you are writing this, then one nostril is blocked. He is taking oxygen via single nostril. So both the nostrils should be allowed by a human being, by Ibadat God, by writing the two nostril here. Okay, this means this. Okay. You have to check yourself. You have to write yourself. You have to image both the nostril, not the single. Here, two nostril here, okay? Two nostril here, you can say, but two eyes also. If you are using single hair, that means he is one eye blind and his one nose is blocked. This means this, okay? So you have to make sure you have to write yourself when you isolate from the Quran like this, okay? In this case, both the nostril is open and both the eyes are open. Clear? Like Allah is written from the sky as it is, but we have to use our brain also. And it is written, وَإِنَّهُ مِنْ سُلَيْمَانَ وَإِنَّهُ بِسْمِ اللَّهِ الرَّحْمَنِ الرَّحِيمِ. This is the formula. Whenever you read several ayat al Quran, this is example. Qul huwallahu ahad. This came as it is from the sky, but we have to use this formula when we know Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Or Qul huwallahu rahman. So we have to read as Qul huwa rahmanu ahad ar-rahmanu samad lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. So Akbaru means non al-muttaqina, means you are accusing to Rabbil Alamin that he has been having the sex, physically intercourse with other person. That is not true. That is why they are known as Al-Kazvina. Al-Kazvina, they are falling into the category of Kafaru as well as Mushrik, like that. The thing which is not written in the Al-Quran, how come you have been accusing, you have been saying which is not as a part of Ibadat? So, make sure Muhammad is not one. He is there. When you see the sun on the sky, means Muhammad is there. You have to use your brain and eyes and find where is Muhammad, who is Muhammad, and take the education. Stick to your business only, not to look and your concern is only to get the Salat Mustaqimah, that's it, nothing else, and pay the fees to Muhammad, because he is not supposed to work, he is not designed to work, but you people, since you people have not been paying the money to him after not believing in Muhammad, that there was one and he died and no further Muhammad comes, so Muhammad, what to do? He has to survive and he has to work. As I am working, I have been working. Okay, so never say Allahu Akbar. Ar-Rahmanu is written, Ar-Rahmanu huwa Aliyul Kabiru. Ar-Rahmanu huwa Aliyul Kabiru. Ar-Rahmanu huwa Aliyun Kabiran. Aliyul Kabire. Alayyal Kabirun. These are the qualities have been written in the Al-Quran. Where is written Allahu Akbar? First, you cannot tell Allah. You have to consider Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Qul huwallahu ar-Rahman. So Ar-Rahmanu Akbar, it is not. If you say Allahu Kabiru, Allahul Kabiru, that means you are 50-50. 50-50 man category, you have to be 100% man. Okay, so always say Ar-Rahmanu Alayyul Kabiru. Ar-Rahmanu Alayyul Kabiru. Ar-Rahmanu Alayyul Kabiru. Ar-Rahmanu Alayyul Kabiru. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bye.